When someone buys a house, it might be their dream house. Maybe it's their house that they've worked their whole life to have. One of our core values at Mann Mortgage is, ease of doing business. And that's really the functionality of nCino. Have a great experience, get into a home at the end of the day. Communication is key for everything that we do, especially when you're purchasing a house and there's a lot of documents, things that are new for every customer, and every transaction is a little bit different. And this allows it to be simplified for all of our employees and the customers to have a good experience. With nCino, what we can do is we can really reduce the cost of purchasing a house. That's really the big thing. We look at all of our customer reviews and we see people saying, this loan officer made it really easy with her app. The nCino team, they get it. The nCino team really likes to get a lot of feedback from us on how we can do things a little bit better, how we can add things into the technology, fits our core values of our company. And it's really a piece of our company that everybody's really, really proud of. When I look around on how people purchase stuff, communicate, it's really about time and the ease of use. A lot of people are, whether they're commuting, walking, a plane, a train, having a break somewhere, they don't have their computer with them. The app is just so important for people to just be able to fill things out, the security. So people are really used to that. It's really the trust validator. So just getting a simple document or a photocopy of an ID, now they can, just grab their phone, they can snap a picture, they can upload that document. We talk about how it can reduce the amount of time that customer takes to fill out the app, how it can reduce the amount of time for the loan manufacturing. Our industry, really, we need to reduce the cost of the loan manufacturing, and nCino can help improve that process. That really defines the ease of doing business, and they have to be part of our DNA to be a partner.